Swedish zoo has killed 9 healthy lion cubs over the last 6 years because they became surplus animals. Its CEO has revealed. Both Jeltsin said Norrstiger Park, in western Sweden, killed the cubs because they could not be sold or moved and because aggression became too big in the group of lions. He also said more of the voracious predators may be put to death if they cannot be sent elsewhere and do not settle in the pies. Animals born at the zoo do not fit in the zoo or are not native, they are killed, something the zoo will call sane natural. In western Sweden, killed the cubs because they could not be sold or moved and because aggression became too big in the group of lions. Discussing the cubs killed since 2012, Jeltsin told Swedish broadcaster SVT, "I think that they were killed after 2 years." He added, "At that time we had already tried to sell or to relocate them at other zoos for a long time, but, unfortunately, there were no zoos that could receive them, and when the aggression became too big in the group we had to remove some animals. And it had to be them." According to Espresso, the lions put down were named Simba, Off, Nera. Bonsai and Kudu pictured were born in spring 2014 before being killed in the summer and autumn of 2015. But when animals born at the zoo do not fit into the group, or are not needed, they are killed, something Jeltsin calls a natural path. He added, "It's no secret in any way and we do not try to hide that we're working this way." Speaking about the fate of cubs born in the zoo in future, he said, "We will see." He explained, "Now the group works well, but some of them could become surplus animals, and then we will try to move them elsewhere. It could be that we have to put them to death." Also,